do the Jets play? They play Arizona. And what are Arizona famous for? No, not the iced tea, Sonoran hot dogs. And guess what we're making today? Every day cooking, Dad, cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. The New York Jets are playing the Arizona Cardinals, right? And they're famous for Sonoran hot dogs. I've never had one, never been to Arizona. But it's a hot dog, right, or frank, wrapped in bacon with onions, tomatoes, jalapenos. It's got sour cream, guys. It's got a whole bunch of stuff. I'll have everything listed below. It's got pinto beans too. So we're going to see what this is all about. I wonder if they call it a Sonoran burger because I'm going to be snoring after I eat this. All right, guys, we'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap these dogs, hot dogs, or franks, right? I got the thick cut bacon. Hopefully that's not going to be a problem. Just don't want to double it up. I'm just going to continue around. Hopefully I can start. Oh, perfect. All right, because the plan is I'm going to put it down. The plan is here. I'm going to put it down in the pan like this. So hopefully the edges kind of crisp up on right on the meat. All right, so I'm going to do the rest of these and then bring you guys right back. All right, guys, and to help us along, what I'm going to do is probably shouldn't have touched it. I'm just going to put a little weight on top of it. I don't have a press. All right, guys, so we got our bread. They're warm. I'm not going to cut it this way, right? That doesn't make sense. I'm going to go the long way. Guess I'm going to go down this side here. You know what? I'm going to go down this side here. I guess we don't want to cut all the way through the bread, right? We just want to be able to put that hot dog on there. Guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go down with some onions to help protect it from being, I guess it's not going to make much of a difference, but we'll go down with some onions. Then I'm going to grab some of these pinto beans. I'm going to put them on the side here. Try to keep them on the side. I'm not going to put a lot, because I don't know if I'm going to like that. It's hot. All right, so guys, so we got our pinto beans and onions on the bottom. I'm gonna grab a decent hot dog right here, put that in the middle. All right, guys, so we got that, right? Now we're gonna go down with some more pinto beans, right? Why not? Maybe just a little bit more on top. Probably that's all I should have did. Some more onions, some tomatoes, some of the jalapenos, and then a little bit of the salsa verde, right? Right on the top. All right, guys, and then just down with some of this mayo and sour cream mix. All right, guys, it's time to get into this. Right? Look at that. All right, guys, look at this. All right, let's cut this in half so we can see what it looks like. Guys, this is what it looks like on the inside. We got our beans, our onions. Guys, I'm going in. We're gonna see what it looks like, what it tastes like. Oh, Mm-hmm. 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 Let me get on my mouth. Mm-hmm. Guys, this works. Guys, this works. Little heat from the jalapenos. You know, we got that sour cream and mayo, onions, tomato, bacon, beef, the pinto beans added a little bit of creaminess. Guys, this is delicious. Guys, like, subscribe. This is good. Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.